G'day, welcome back. This is A Minute with Nick. SWAB, Soft Wash Australia brightener, in the vein of other products such as gutter butter and things like that. Basically what this is, it's an oxidised paint removing agent. It'll also remove those nasty little tiger stripes that you might see on guttering or fascias and those sorts of things. Best way for it to be used, in my opinion, is mix it into maybe a window cleaning bucket with a broom, apply it, leave it to dwell for a while, and then simply rinse it off. You need to try this stuff just in an indiscriminate little area, just to make sure that the surfaces you're cleaning are going to behave the way you want them to. That's pretty important to do whenever we talk about any restorative work, and that's what this will do. It will give you restoration on painted surfaces. So that's SWAB, our brightener, 5 litres, and you can get it at softwashaustralia.com.au. This has been A Minute with Nick.